while we are facing the examination. Most of the things you understood, right? Now the next thing is, next activity is, already Pariksha Pe Charcha, some of the students are logging with a different teacher's number. These certificates may be downloaded, and the teachers, they are already, you can check out through the link, you can check. Okay, in my ID, some 10 students are there. With Gurappa sir ID, some 112 children are there. And Vishnu sir's ID, English TGT English, Vishnu sir ID, some 4 children log in. Like that it was there. So those who already log in different area, you can obtain the certificate, and that is available. That is, you can electronic mode we can take. Okay. So now the next program is for you is, you can relax, go to the washrooms, take water, and then go to the classroom, and that is, you should be in the classroom by 11:40. Right now the time is 11:20. Right. As per this 11:20, by 11:40 you should be in the classroom, and the teachers who are on duty, that is 6, 7 and 8, they will come. And another important thing, in the morning itself, listen carefully. Morning itself, Bhaskar sir told you that you have to take your notebooks, books, whatever the items is kept in the classroom, that has to be taken by you. And another important thing, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, notebooks మీ రాసిన నోట్స్ అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఆడనే పెట్టిపోతే అన్ని తీసి బయట పడేస్తారు. All it will be thrown out. Okay. Later coming and complaining that I am not having my notebook, don't complain. So when you are going to the dormitory, right, the bell was given little 5 minutes in advance, it will be given, and you can take all your books, keep in your dormitory, and then you go to the dining hall to take your lunch. And another important thing, in the afternoon, as the remedial was cancelled and you are in the dormitory, what you have to do, that is very important thing. During my visit, I found that in your wings, that is dormitory wings, that particular block or in your area, there is too much of cobwebs. Bozulu chala unnai. It looks very dirt. Okay, so the teachers was allotted, and for junior boys, Gurappa sir and Mamta madam will come to junior side, and in senior side, Satyanarayan sir will be there in senior side, and in girls junior side, Rima madam will be there, and in senior side, our Kalyani madam will be there. They will come on duty. They will watch, see in their presence, and apart from that, matrons will be there along with you for girls, and boys. Hey, superintendent, he will move here and there, and you see that your area, me area ni, me cart area ni first clean చేయండి. Tarvata, if it is possible, switch off the fan, and the fan blades may be clean. Right, and then you have to clean inside your dormitory. మీ dormitory లోపల ఈవేళ మీరే క్లీన్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ అవుట్సోర్సింగ్ వాళ్ళు క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ అన్ని క్లీన్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తారు. మీ ఏరియా ఎక్కడ, మీ రూమ్స్, మీ డార్మెటరీ ఏరియా మీరే క్లీన్ చేయాలా. మీ ప్లేస్ మీరు క్లీన్ చేయాలి. నేను వస్తా, ఐ విల్ కమ్ ఆన్ రౌండ్. ఓకే, ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి క్లీన్ మీన్స్ దెన్ I will give some punishment to you. Okay, so dear children, complete your work. Hey, నిద్రపోయేది కాదు, ఫస్ట్ ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు చాలు. ఇట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దెన్ ఎనఫ్ టు క్లీన్ యువర్ ఏరియా. మిగతా సైడ్ అని మీరు చూస్తే, దట్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ సర్వీస్, యూ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ అదర్ ఏరియాస్. Okay, so now we will conclude this program, and all the people, right, girls you can go this side, that is the in that side you can go, and boys you can go through this way, right. Go to washrooms, take water. By 11:40 all must be in your class. Okay, right.